Lesson 21, Part 1 of 2. Payroll. Part 2 is budget. Now, this lesson will illustrate several concepts. The first and obvious one is using a spreadsheet to calculate payroll. You will discover that we have provided for you federal, state, and FICA tax. You will also realize that we have provided for you earning 4 different amounts of money. Number 1, the state minimum, $8.30 an hour with no formal education. 2, $15 with some post-secondary education. 3, $30 with a formal education. And 4, $40 with an even higher education. You may earn more with a higher education, which is obvious in this example. The equations you will be using will be listed below. You may use a fill down once you have typed in row 6, as you can see right here. And then just simply do a fill down. You'll notice that we have provided for you equations for regular pay and overtime pay. And the reason for that is you need an if statement. If regular pay is less than 40 hours or equal to 40 hours, and if it's over 40 hours. And you also have total gross federal income tax, FICA, minimum insurance or insurance premium, union dues, so forth and so on. You'll notice that we provided for you the calculations to add up all your deductions and subtract them from your gross income so you have your net pay. Your net pay is what you're taking home. Okay? Now save this, and the reason I say that, because if in the future you need to do a calculation for regular and overtime pay, you'll have this listed for you. Save it someplace. I've used this quite a bit, and now you have it. Okay? At the bottom, you'll notice that we have your name several times because you really don't know in the future what you'll be doing. We have 40 hours at $8.30 per hour, and then you can see the pay. Now over here for number 7, we have 45 hours for $15. Now remember, 40 hours times 15, and the other 5 hours are for time and a half. And you have your total calculation here. Okay, let's stop for a second and see exactly what this looks like on a spreadsheet. Okay, here's the spreadsheet. Now remember, we said place your name several times because this is you in the future. Okay, single, no exemptions, we're just guessing. And we have 40, 45, 40, and 40 because we just want to give you overtime for 1 because realistically, once you have it, you got it. Okay? Now, you'll notice that over here, this is important that you see this. For regular pay, for a minimum, you're only going to bring in $231.49 a week. Okay? However, look how high it goes if you have minimal education or postgraduate. It goes all the way up to $519 with some education. Then you have $889, right? And then you go all the way up to $1,192, okay, with an education. You want this. Now, part 2, what we're going to give you later, is we're going to have you look at the difference, and you need to really see this. Now, remember, my teaching method is to prepare you for the future. This is your future. You need to understand that you must get an education after high school. All right? It can be anything you want. You just need a post-secondary education. Okay. Well, hopefully all this made sense, and you are going to be working on this. Let me see what you have when you're done. Thank you.
Happened to me. I can't believe it myself. Suddenly I'm up on